You can multimine different cryptocurrencies with your Fry computer miners. These are several crypto projects you can run in addition to the Fry mining software on your Fry computer. Piffy can be run on your Fry computer. The best to use is a satellite miner, as the GPS dongle will increase your crypto rewards with Piffy software installed. There is a license fee of $50 that you will need to pay to run Piffy. You can save $5 by using my coupon code WARTMAN10. NodePay can be mined on any Fry computer miners. It's a bandwidth sharing service you run on your computer in addition to Fry Crypto. You can sign up here https://app.nodepi.ai/register?ref=VBBA9S0livznbda. Network 3 is another bandwidth sharing service that can be run on your computer to earn in addition to Fry's crypto. You can sign up here https://account.network3.ai/register_page?rc=7bc7ffc3.